Hello guys, it's me, Fatima, and today we're going to be unboxing something new. So, I'm very excited for this, as you can see. So, today we're unboxing these. The Audio-Technica M30Xs. They are very pro level headphones. And they're going to replace these, which are pieces of crap. Let me just yes. Oops. No. I fixed this like yesterday, so yeah. So let's say goodbye to these and say hello to these. So the box is nice, and yeah, here we go. The Audio-Technica logo, very nice indeed. Then we have a leather pouch. That's a nice leather pouch. Yeah, that's very nice. No, it's not. If I okay, so okay, so here they are, very nice. Okay, let's okay, they're pretty light, and they're smaller than I expected, actually. Okay, so let me put that away. Okay, so we have a long cable. I'll put right here. How long is it? Like on the cable when I move it like this. Yeah. And yeah, it's very long. I don't know how long is it actually, but yeah. Ooh, this feels nice. This actually feels nice. Oh, good God. So which way do they? Yeah, they have aren't there. Okay, so I need to extend these a little so I can at least reach them. Okay, so oh my god, the sound isolation on this is amazing. Okay, they also have a built-in adapter with there we go. This to this, yes. So yeah, that's about it from these. And yeah, next up is the sound test. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a headphones test. I have prepared some songs in Spotify, so let's see them. So I have chosen these 5 songs. Amazing, right? Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so let me just. Okay, am I ready? Probably not, but okay, let's do this. It's okay so far. It's pretty good.
Didn't even get to bronze.
to the second song, which is Guided by Carbon Citizens. Link down below. They make pretty epic music. Okay, now on to the next song. Don't like that. I'm pretty sure it's not copyrighted. If it is, okay. Yeah, pretty good. Now on to Cradle, which is an NCS song? Maybe.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Okay, we're on to our next song, which is Fate, Not Faded by our Walker. And yeah, it's NCS, so they're good. Yeah, they're pretty good. Now, on to my thoughts. So yeah, the Audio-Technica M30Xs are pretty good. After 2 or 3 days of using them, I can say they're pretty good. Also, they have nice bass and everything. And the audio quality is very nice, I must say. They can even fold like that. It's amazing. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And I see you in the next video. Goodbye.